My name's Jeremy Capello. I'm the program manager for DTE's Small Business Energy Efficiency Programs. We're at the envelope printery where they're manufacturing envelopes using process air to do that. This program's called our Find and Fix Compressed Air Program. Compressed air is really tricky because even if it's not working correctly, you really don't know. What happens is the rest of the system just has to work that much harder. And what that means for customers is they're spending more money and they're wasting energy.
The Find and Fix Compressed Air Program has been a wonderful thing for the envelope printery. It saved us money. It showed us where we were wasting money.
To me, it's a no-brainer. Everybody should want to do this. DTE contractor is going to come in and do the survey for free. You are going to spend a small amount of money compared to the rebate that you're going to get to have it done, and then every single month you are going to save money. It was easy, it was free. They came out and did all the survey, which is something I couldn't have done.
DTE, we find and fix it, and you save.